This one happened for Nigerian Embassy for Atlanta. Nigerians, they angrily talk to the official for this Nigerian Embassy because of him behavior when they come to renew their passport. My people, if una see the behavior set, e go vex you. Make una use una eye. Watch wetin happen.
You are
Like the official even get strength, get power after you don't exchange words, insult and everything with these people for a motor. He still drive inside, come out from a motor, come they continue the exchange of words. Which kind person be this one? This man then say in name be pious and he come late to office and he no can show remorse. Saying come late, and these Nigerians, they don't already apply online for this passport and they don't pay $130 and now only capturing remain. Now then travel from other states. I don't know how much their transportation be. I don't know how much them pay. Come Atlanta just because of say they want renew passport and do their capture, as they reach. Now then face this kind of thing. The man know the office. Then wait for this man to go from Abina, come from his house, come work. He come late. On top of everything, he no show remorse. So he come the exchange words with people who don't they wait for him. On top of his lateness, he still get the mind, the morale to the exchange words with these people. Like this our rotten system. We carry him all the way from Nigeria, go abroad to continue for that place. What be say this our Nigerians? We know they like show respect. We know they like show love to our fellow Nigerians. Instead, any small space where we get, any little opportunity where we get, then go they use them against, then go raise their shoulder up as oga of them all. Any office where them put them, now so then go raise their shoulder up. They no go even want to say he be Nigerian or not. Then go carry on waiting they want to do. Then go feel insult you. Like they good. These people, we are all brothers and sisters. We be fellow Nigerians. And the same green passport where you carry reach that Atlanta, and the same. Another person carry come. I don't know why some people go they behave the way then they behave. Exchange of words. You know even they good to even show say. Now why if Nigerians show one place, people go there, their eye go there, then go they open eye they look. May this one no happen, may that one no happen. Now what this bad attitude, they good at all. I wonder how then they take choose people put for this kind sensitive positions. This position na big position for government or for embassy. They just carry anyhow person go put for this kind chair. And they say this man, na normal attitude be that. He don't know how to talk to people. He don't know how to associate with people. Now, so they do for that embassy. Like, they good at all. Make our Nigerians, make we try. Get good manners for each other. Make we start to the exchange words. Even if you be governor and the person be president, make we just get equal respect for each other. Not because say, one person big pass one person, you will come they show yourself. Why do una like to dey show una self? They good. This one no even show well of us at all. See as people just dey for road dey exchange. Don't be saying na office or inside building dem dey. Road front of gate na where they stay to dey exchange words. No even speak good of us outside any country. So my people, I see this one say make a carry and come. People wey dey Atlanta, una don't see the face of this man. If una dey go, make una respect una self. Do nothing jejely. If the man come late, just swallow am because nothing he go fit do. Nothing. I don't know whether if you go report for that America way in there, then go do something. I don't know. But for the Nigeria one, I know. Nothing he go do. If that man get hands, he get hands. Nothing he go do. So my people, if you now go say una they renew passport, I should say some other people own too, go don't expire. And then they on their way to Atlanta to do the same thing where these people come all the way to do. Make una respect una self o. Know how una go talk, make peace reign. Because I no like to dey hear nonsense. I no dey like to hear rubbish. As I hear this one, I say, ma bring am come una say make una know wetin our fellow Nigerians dey do for obodo Ibo Atlanta, and e no dey good at all. If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section o. Make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. This one na update on the suspected SARS officers wey defy Inspector General of Police order still go dey harass youths, resident youths for Iwo, Osun State. My people o, few hours after this harassment, if una see youths vex, everybody come out for Iwo, dey protest. Ha! My Osun people dem no dey carry last. My people, make una watch this video. Omo, these people force so dem talk, they carry this their protest as dem waka they even reach the Oluwo Palace, the Oba Palace himself. These people reach more. Hey, the one wey burst my brain na how dem take gather this kind crowd under few hours. Now the thing wey shock me na here where I fear Osun State guys. Now here I fear Osun State youths. If they fit gather this amount of people under few hours, come out for this kind protest. So these people they really stubborn. Now these same people wey go protest for this EFCC unnecessary raid, now them carry themselves go protest. Now this kind power we need for Nigeria. Now this kind force we need. If the whole nation go fit come together like this, they protest. Don't be the one way 10 people agree say dem go protest. The next minute 5 don't drop out, only 5 ready. The other 5 go they watch protest from social media. Some of them go there their house, they see wetin dey happen. No be that kind force we need though. No be that kind power we need. The power we need na this kind united power wey Osun State people carry out under few hours. Everything done already dey in place. Then they put up things, they talk, no. This kind energy no be everywhere you go find this kind energy. Protest, then get right to protest. So I no even wan come here say police people come stop them or army people come stop them. Everybody for Nigeria get right to protest. If anything dey bad for the country, na their right to come out protest. Which kind nonsense SARS people be this one? I think say dem talk say SARS don go. Where this one come out from? Come dey arrest youth. Now the thing wey even dey vex me, when they see with dreadlocks, they don't arrest you. They see with motor, they don't arrest you. They see with excess money, they don't arrest you. Anything they see, small thing, then go take am as offense. You wear better clothes, you wear sneakers, you wear, then don't arrest you. Then go see you as Yahoo boy. Then go see you as this one. See you as suspect. See you as fraudster. Now the thing wey just dey pain me. Now these people don't do this thing. This one na another end SARS protest for Osun State. Oh, yes, this SARS must end. And other people wey dey act like SARS, we must bring them down too for this Nigeria. As I see this one, e sweet me say Osun State people no shut up. Oh, then come out to protest. E really sweet my body. Because I be already the vex when I hear the thing where these SARS people do youth. It already they pay me. But I was like, these Osun State people, they no go do anything. They just see where they kidnap person, I be then carry person. They don't even know whether na real SARS, no be real SARS. They don't even they do anything. Now which I just did they talk say which kind of people did this Osun State. But now they come out protest. I say no. As they do this one, ma bring and come on aside. Say the story no just end for that place. So say these people finally under few hours that same day then come out protest. Now they won't set peace for the place. So and I pray say this protest go bring out something tangible. Now the thing why they pray say this protest then go hear them put corrections to some of all these things. So that one na my own prayer for Osun State. Oh, now people as I see am, as una see am too, na so it be. If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.